Hi students, I welcome you all in School of Scholars Online. Today I am going to explain you about how to solve periodic test 1 and submit it within a due time. Step 1. Open Google Classroom at 8:20 am on the day of paper and go to particular subject classroom. For example, I am having a periodic test 1 for the science subject today. So I will open science classroom. Step 2. From the classwork tab, select topic periodic test 1 with the proper subject name. Step 3. Here you can see two links as well as some instructions. I request you all to read these instructions carefully. Now at 8:20 am sharp, you need to open the first link. The link will open in web browser. So make sure that your web browser should be logged with mgsnagpur.org mail ID. In order to solve this form, you need to log in with correct mail ID. So I want to add my correct mail ID over here. I am taking a demo student example, so my correct mail ID is s12@mgsnagpur.org. If your correct mail ID is already selected, then there is no issue. So log into your proper account using mgsnagpur.org. Now you need to solve the objective test. Duration for objective test is 20 minutes, that is from 8:20 to 8:40 am. But for language, time varies and it can go up to 8:20 to 9 am. For the timing related queries, kindly see the student guidelines which you have already received through SCOIL or on your class WhatsApp group. Type the name of the student. Select proper standard and section. Then solve the questions. And submit. It will show the confirmation message like your response has been recorded. Once you submit this objective test on or before 8:40 am for core subjects and up to 9 am for language, then you need to move to next step. Next step is again go to your Google Classroom window and open second link which is for the subjective test. Again make sure that you should be logged in with correct mail account. So here you can see my mail ID currently selected is atul.bondre@mgsnagpur.org, but my student ID through which I am going to solve this test is s12@mgsnagpur.org. So I need to log in through that mail ID. So the test will open. Now Timing for this test is 1 hour and 10 minutes. I request you to kindly see the timings which you have already received on WhatsApp group or through the Squile, because time may vary for regular subjects and languages. Again type the name of student, standard, section. Now you can see here questions one by one. You need to read questions from here, but answer you need to write on ruled paper. You need to write all the answers one by one on ruled paper. While writing the answer on ruled paper, make sure that you should mention school name like School of Scholars Yavatmal or name of your particular branch, followed by periodic test 1, then subject, student name, roll number, class, section, date. So all these mandatory information you should fill at the top of your ruled page and solve the answers one by one. Now once you complete your writing work on or before 9:55 for regular subjects, then you need to click this last option of S under the heading please upload the answer sheet in Google Classroom for this subject. So I am clicking yes and I will do submit. You need to complete this process on or before 9:55. Once this process is completed, next step is to take photographs of your ruled pages answer sheet through your mobile camera. Take neat and clean photos. Kindly avoid blur images. Once you take all those photos, consider that your answer sheet has 4 pages. It means you have taken 4 photos in your mobile. Next step is to scan your JPG pages and convert it into the PDF file. For the same, I am using Kagaz document storage and scanner app. You can use any similar app like Cam Scanner, Adobe, anything. Now to upload your JPG images one by one and to convert it into the PDF, you need to click on plus sign given in green color. From the file option, you need to add all the photographs of your answer sheet one by one in a particular sequence. To make it look proper, I will click on original button and done. In this way, I will add all the pages of my answer sheet in particular sequence. Now I have uploaded all the 4 pages of my ruled answer sheet in sequence. Now I need to click on pencil symbol given at the top. Here I will give the file name. If the name of student is Sakshi Verma, standard 9th A, Science, PT1. So you need to give name in this pattern and click on save button. Now click on the green right button. Now click on downward arrow given in orange color to download this file in PDF format. Now this file is downloaded in your mobile. Now you can go to Classroom app, select the subject, go to the classwork, go to the periodic test 1, click on add attachment, go to the file, Select the PDF file from your mobile. So it will show that Sakshi_Verma standard 9th A PDF file is successfully attached. Now once this PDF file is attached and you can see the PDF file name clearly, click on Turn In option to submit your periodic test 1 answer sheet. Now you can see work is submitted. This process you need to complete before 10:15 am. So in short, 8:20 your objective test will start, 8:40 your objective test will end, 8:45 your subjective test will start, 9:55 your subjective test will end. From 9:55 to 10:15 you will take a photographs, convert it into the PDF, upload into the Google Classroom and submit. Timing are little bit different for language only, which is already provided to you through the guidelines. Thank you, students.